My teacher, she took me to the welding shop, and I didn't have a clue a thing about welding. And she showed me how to do it the first time, and then I learned my first bead, and she told me that it looked good for it to be my first, so I continued to run.
I found out that SAU Tech during my high school offered a few welding classes, so I figured, hey, let's try this out. Literally, the first day I got in there and laid my first bead, I'm just like, this is what I want to do.
Started welding in high school, and then I came right out of high school and joined the welding program when it was still in Magnolia.
I went through and seen the nursing, the cosmetology, the computers. Nothing really struck my interest. And then when we come to the welding shop, I liked it. I don't know really what it was that I liked it, but I saw it as a challenge. Not many women do this type of work.
Was there any hurdles or anything that you had to kind of go through? Or was it pretty well just kind of easy coming in and just falling right into place?
I say it's pretty easy, just falling right into place.
It started off kind of rocky, to be honest, but that's because I came in with little to no experience. But through the help of my instructors and just everyone in our class, I've gotten a lot better, and I'm really glad I took this opportunity.
Once I graduate the academy, I plan on moving to somewhere in the Little Rock area and get a job dealing with the TIG, MIG, or stick. And then within 5 years or so, I plan on going to get my CWI so I can become a welding inspector and maybe get out to pipeline and become a pipeline inspector.
I expect it's going to be hard starting out, but I expect as I rise up to the ranks, it'll be a lot better. And I hope I can be one of those trailblazers.
I really want to get in the welding program at Lockheed, and eventually I want to start my own fabricating shop at the house, like yard art and scrap metal art. And I've started doing some of that at home, just piddling around. And then eventually maybe somebody would want to hire me as an instructor.
Yeah, I learned how to weld with 6010s, 7018s, how to weld bevel plates. I learned TIG, MIG, flux core, and I even done some pipe. I also learned, Mr. Cody taught me how to weld aluminum.
In the next 5 years, I hope I can become a CWI, and if not, I hope to be a foreman possibly, or being able to teach others my trade.
Graduated 2 weeks early. First job was in Midland, Texas. I was a helper on a pipeline. After that, I worked for Turner for a couple of years, systems off and on.
Right after I graduated the Welding Academy, I went to AFCO Steel in Little Rock, building some bridges and all that, and started off one of the highest paying welders because I had all the experience from this school in the high school program.
Don't use it as you're not able to do this or that because of you're a female. Honestly, females pay attention to every detail, more detail than men do, so a lot of times you turn out actually better ahead of men.
It's a passion. It's something you gotta have. It's hard work. There are some days that you're gonna be tired and you're gonna wonder to yourself, why do I do this? But just remember this. Just remember why you want to do this and keep that passion.
They're going to make you work for it, and you need to. You don't just need to think that they're going to do everything for you.
Don't let anybody run over you, because you do have to be tough. But it comes to confidence. The better you get, the more confidence you get, the less crap you'll take from other people.